Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we spent a week in Texas. You know, Cal Kestis and Zinutaro over here. We spent a week in Texas because that's where he's originally from. And anyways, we're on our way back, and we're gonna be stopping in a couple comic shops on the way.
So pretty much just like I gotta do like 6 things.
I get ridiculous.
We can almost buy our own shit for that.
Along the Raw Shop street.
So we went to a comic shop and a Funko Pop exclusive store, which was pretty cool. I've never been in anything like that before. And then we have another comic shop that was right in the same plaza that we didn't even plan on going to.
There is another.
So we're gonna stop in there real quick.
I never thought I'd see these kinds of figures on the shelves like this ever again.
Alright guys, so that comic shop, I'm gonna give it a little bit of a shout out. So it's called Omega Level. I'll put like a link in the description or whatever for you all to check it out if any of you live close to here. But it was crazy. I mean, I found this, and I don't know if any of you guys collect Black Series, but that's a tough one to find. It's a Clone Wars Black Series Echo, which is a really tough boy to find, and they also had Anakin. So if any of you live close to the area, we're in Alabama right now, right?
To be honest, I have no idea.
That isn't very reassuring.
Okay, well, just look it up online and find it yourself then. And then...
So
Zach,
I saw a Qui-Gon there on the shelves, and I was thinking about it the entire time I was there. But honestly, they were selling for $40. I looked it up, and I'm thinking I could, if I really wanted the Qui-Gon, I could find it for cheap. But I am a big Kit Fisto nerd, and I collect his figures, and I found one of those old vintage figures loose for $5, and then I found myself some sexy shirtless Kit. Now my Kit Fisto collection is all the larger.
just like his pee-pee. Alright, so we just came back from a place called Hyperspace Toys, and their selection wasn't as good as the other one, but they did have this really cool little, this Lego knockoff holiday special boba that I'd never really seen anything like before, and so I thought it was pretty cool, and I mean, anything holiday special I'm gonna pick up. Peeing. Alright guys, so we made it back safe. It was a great trip. Had lots of fun meeting Golden Guy's friends. Just really good time. Got to do a lot of very Texas things. But I also found a lot of things that I had been looking for when it comes to like Star Wars collectible wise. I found a lot of figures and some comics that I've been after too, and it was a great trip. So thanks so much for watching this video, and may the Force be with you always.